Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Kedzi with a special break. Um, this is a pre-Christmas special. I have 5 of your Series 1, Series 2 rookie graded cards I got from local store. It's $1.99. It's for the weekend. They get like 20% off on all um, trading cards. So I'll try my luck on this stuff here. So they're basically like $1.60 each. This one's 2005, 2001. Don't know what that one says. 2005. So there's like big names here. See what we got. Their original price $5.97 back then. Alright, first card. By the way, these trade cards are graded gem mint or 9 mint or gem mint. Alright. Our first card is Barry Sanders gem mint rookie card. Alright, next one. This is 99 Dante Culpepper gem mint. Third card. See, basically I'm just buying it for whatever the cost. One less than $2 for each. That's including taxes already. Reggie Wayne 2001 gem mint rookie. It's very nice. To the left. Name 7 Collector's Edge Corey Dillon rookie. Last one. Collector's Edge Advantage Keyshawn Johnson gem mint 10 and 6 rookies. Alright. So all 5 cards less than $10. What do you think? Good deal? Well, thanks for watching. Bye.